Let us welcome Neha Kaushik on our MYB talk show, and let's listen from her about her activities, her career, her success stories. So Neha, welcome, and please tell us about yourself and your activities.
Hello, sir. I'm a psychologist, and I completed my master's in clinical psychology, and I'm working for an organization, Nirman Organization, NGO, and yeah, I'm both, and I have some other collaboration also. So I provide counseling service to people. Yeah, that's
Great, superb, Neha. So Neha, tell us, what was your motivation to choose this as a career?
So because in India we don't talk about mental health, and I was in a place when I needed professional psychological help. So I went to a psychologist to consult, and I realized that it is something that I really want to do in my own life. And then I decided, that yeah, this is something that I will be doing in my life from now onwards. And I started my career in psychology. I took admission, and since then I'm just trying to learn and trying to contribute.
Great, superb. So from your own experience, you decided to, serve people by learning psychology and helping them with their mental health. Yeah, it's a very good gesture. Okay, in a short span of your professional career, tell us what are the challenges you faced and how you convert them into your opportunities.
Okay, sir. So it's been 6 months only. I'm working for last 6 months, and I've noticed that people don't take you seriously when you look young. I look very young, and people think that she's very young and how will she do it? And sometimes people are judgmental, and whatever I learn, I'm applying that. My age has nothing to do with my talents or the skills that I acquire. So it is one of the thing that. It is one of a challenge, and earlier I used to fear of judgment and public speaking was there, but now I'm working on it. So yeah, it is one of a challenge, and I overcome it because it is important, and not because it is important, but I am allowing myself to explore what is the worst thing that can happen if I face audience and if I present my views. So it is one of the things that I'm working on right now. Yeah.
Sure. So by practice only you will be able to overcome all these obstacles.
Yes.
Great.
Yes.
Nice. So how your mentor, you must be having some mentor, how he guides you, how he motivates you, he or she, whoever.
So my main mentor is Bhagavad Gita. I learn from, I read Bhagavad Gita and I get guidance from God himself. So I learn a lot from Bhagavad Gita, that, every challenge that I face in my life, I get guidance for my challenges, and I overcome it. And yes, my teachers and my mentors are also very helpful. They always guide me that you should do it in a certain way, or you should do in that way. And people that I'm connecting with on LinkedIn, like, even I know that I can learn something from you and other people as well. So I am just allowing myself to learn from people. And yes, the guidance that I get is that you should explore, you should not hesitate. If you're not good enough in something, you should not stop there. You should allow yourself challenge and explore, because I am in my 20s and this is the best time to explore your talents or your skills and a lot of opportunities.
Great. It's a good gesture that you are putting your efforts to learn something which you may not have right now, but by practicing, you'll get it. Very nice. Good approach.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, in this 6 months where you started your career, any particular memorable, anecdote you faced or you remember?
So could you please repeat the question?
Yeah. Do you come across some memorable, experience you got it during these 6 months? Can you tell us about that?
Yes, even today. Yeah, sir, even today itself, one of my, so I'm working in an organization, as I already told you. So one of the heads, or I don't know what is his position, because he is on a very good level. And I never got a chance to interact with him. But we were in a Zoom meeting, and he sent me a personal message that, Neha, you know what, you are doing great, and you are involving, and the way you are doing it, it's very inspiring. And it was very inspiring for me. When I read this message, I felt that, it's not, I'm not just participating, I am contributing, or I am important to people. So yeah, it was one of a moment. And yes, when I give interviews, and they like something about me or something like that, I feel, that I am doing well. So it is.
Yes.
One of
First and foremost is definitely somebody gives you good remarks. It's a very positive, very good. But always remember, this is my just suggestion, a friendly suggestions.
Yeah.
That even if somebody gives you bad remarks, never worried about it. Bad and good is going to happen. You should be confident in your work, in your ethics, what you learn, your knowledge, and always remember, I am going to do good for the others. So that particular motive of yours, doing good for others, will give you proper direction, not to worry about bad or good remarks. You have to take equally.
Very true. Yes.
Yeah. That's really great of you. So any desires you have, top 3 desires which you want to, achieve in your life?
So I want to contribute. People often think that, young people are always money minded, and they are always thinking about money or something like that. But I really want to make a difference in society. Even if I'm able to help one person, or if I'm able to make a change or a difference in one life, then I will feel, that yes, I am doing something, or I am on a right path in my life. So it is one of the things that I want to do. And contribute, and obviously make a difference in someone's life. And third is that that I have dreams, that I want to give a public speech or public speaking, something related to that. So it is one of a desire that I have, that I want to give a public speech in front of more than 3,000 people. I don't know it will happen or not, but I want to give a message to the universe that, yeah, this is my desire.